This is a really impressive office chair. It's super comfortable. I love how far back it reclines. It also has wheels so you can move it around, but this also has armrests that go up like this, which can be a space saver. So if you need to roll that in, save some space by putting those armrests up, you can do that. The other part that makes this office chair special is the adjustable lumbar support right here. So you can move that up and down, adjust accordingly to your comfort level. And I will say this is an excellent office chair because I can maneuver all around. It's comfortable. So let's get into the details of what you can expect with this. Let's start with the assembly. The instructions are self-explanatory, and it took me less than 20 minutes to put it together. It was very simple to do, and all of the tools that you need are included. Now, as far as the details of this particular chair, this can hold up to 300 pounds of weight, and one of the things that really stands out to me is just how comfortable and breathable this mesh office chair is, and that's because it features a 3.14-inch soft, high-density foam cushion that minimizes pressure on your body and provides long-lasting comfort and support. And because the backrest is made of that breathable mesh, it allows for better airflow, which I really like. And if you're sitting in a chair for hours on end, you really want an office chair that is going to do it all. And that is what this chair does, because it has a 4-inch height adjustment range that allows for the suitability for people of all heights. And then as far as that recline feature, you can recline it 90 degrees to 115 degrees. It is made of durable material. You can tell that this is going to last a long time. And as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, it has flip-up arms to save space, and that's not something that you'll find on most office chairs. This is going to weigh 30 pounds, and overall, I can just tell that this is going to be a more comfortable working experience chair for me because of that thicker seat, which provides more comfort, that adjustable lumbar support in the back, which gives you a 2-inch lumbar height range. You have that recline option in the back. You just adjust the tilt lock on the bottom, and then you can start moving that chair back. The flip-up arms feature is something that is new to me. I haven't seen that with other office chairs. That makes it unique. And it just has this really nice, smooth 360-degree rotation. The wheels move really nicely. Overall, 2 thumbs up for this office chair. Hope this review helps, and thanks for watching.